What is obsessive compulsive disorder? Let me explain it in simple terms. Imagine you are in India and you call someone in the US. Let's understand what happens here. We make a call and they pick up the call and talk. But many technical processes happens behind the scenes. Your voice is converted into digital signals, transmitted through phone lines or internet cables, and then reconverted into sound on the other person's phone. This all happens in milliseconds, so you can talk live. Similarly, when you do an action, many things happens in your brain. You don't have to understand brain function completely, but I will explain it in easy terms. Say for example, you want to move this book from here to there. There is a part called the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for making decisions. It decides to move the book and send signals to your motor cortex, which controls your movements. Neurotransmitters in your brain, they help them carry these signals. At the same time, there is a part called the anterior cingulate cortex. This part, it checks if everything is okay. It monitors to ensure if it is done correctly. This way, your brain works together to move the book smoothly and accurately. This is what happens normally. If someone has obsessive compulsive disorder, this smooth process can get disrupted. In people with OCD, the anterior cingulate cortex, which checks for mistakes, becomes overactive. This means it keeps sending signals that something is wrong even when everything is fine. As a result, the person feels the need to check and repeat actions again and again, like moving the book multiple times to make sure it is done correctly. Understand this clearly. Your actions could be anything: cleaning the house, washing clothes, arranging books, calling someone, or anything, it doesn't matter. Let's take this example. A person has OCD about cleaning the house. Their anterior cingulate cortex, it keeps detecting errors like the house is dirty, there are germs everywhere, even if the house is clean. This will cause distress and anxiety in them, so they will spend a lot of time performing the same action again and again. The intensity, the activity, and the behavior, it will vary for different people. This is OCD.